Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, May 15th. Time is around 6:50 GMT, and we will have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. So as I discussed in my weekend video where I have a look at the higher time frame, I'm expecting a pullback in the FTSE futures in the higher time frame. For now, I think that the pullback has started. My current count is that the wave 5 is in, but I also explained in my weekend video it doesn't has to, like, we could make um, one more high, and then our count becomes something like this: 1 2, a long wave 3 4, and 5. But okay, for now, my primary scenario is that our high is in, and we are starting the pullback in the higher time frame. Now, let's have a look at the lower time frame. What could happen today? How can we trade the FTSE today? So if we have a look at the four 4 hours time frame. So from this high, I think we are now doing an ABC um, correction, A down, B, and now we are in our wave C, where this is our target. I um, I show you how to calculate this zone in the weekend video. So I think we are on our way to this zone. Um, so if we further zoom in the 1 hour, I think we have our wave one to the downside completed as as a leading diagonal. Like we have 5 waves down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we end with divergence. So I think this correction or this move down is finished for now. Um, and I think from now, like today, tomorrow, we could see some upside actually in the form of a wave two. It looks like this downward RSI trend line is about to break, and we are forming an upward RSI trend line, which is an indication for me that we are starting an upward cycle. So yeah, actually, to go long now might be a bit risky. The best entry to go long was last Thursday, here just below this wave three. This would have been a good entry. So for a long position, I don't really see an entry today, or at least not in my trading style. I like to trade at the extremes, and I don't like to enter somewhere here. Although I think we will move towards this area, I don't like to do this kind of trades. If I would have to do a long entry, then it would probably um, be here below this low. I would put an entry. Then I would assume, or then my scenario would be that this wave, this wave one down is not finished yet. Then I would expect that it would finish here below this low at this support zone. Um, yeah, but I, I I don't really expect it. But if I would have to do a long, I would do it here. I will not enter here. So I think this wave one down is over. So I expect upside in the yeah, in the near term, in the lower time frame. Um, then what could be our next move if you're not long from here? Then I think we could, or I will initiate a short. So if we are going up in a wave two, this becomes our target zone. This zone is actually quite large from now. So it's the zone between the zero point 0.5 FIP extension and the 0.854 FIP extension. There, this is the zone where typically wave two ends. However, we can be a bit more specific about this zone because it looks like we are making an ABC here, which is a typical pattern for this for a wave two, an ABC correction to the upside. Then our target zone for wave C becomes this area between the 1%, the 100% FIP extension and the 1.618 FIP extension. So I think this here is a good zone to put a short. I will, or yeah, we will. I will put my entry here at the extremes. Like I say, I prefer to trade at the extremes. Their risk reward is at the highest, and it also makes me feel comfortable if I trade at the extremes. So I think here this might be a good entry, but yeah. I'm telling you, it is really at the extremes. It might be that we do not reach this area, that we start to pull back sooner. Like actually, this would also be a good place to enter a short, because you are in this wave C area, and you're also on top of a major resistance zone. So actually, this might also be a good place to enter. But then, what I would like to see on the 15 minutes is some kind of an impulse up that ends with so let me yeah, let's throw it like this. So what I would like to see is like 5 swings up that end here with divergence in your RSI. If I see this, this might also be a good place to enter a short. So if I could not monitor the market today, I would put it here at the extremes. If I see this happening today, 5 waves up and divergence here, when we reach this point here, if we have divergence in RSI, this might also be a good way to go short, a good place to go short. So yeah, I think for today there are two ways to play it: a short here or a short here. Here I would do it blindly. Here I would like to see divergence in RSI and 5 waves up. And yeah, to go long, I don't really see an entry for today. I don't like to enter here just in between. I prefer to trade at the extremes. So for a long position, I don't really see it, unless here below this low, this can be an entry. But yeah, it's doubtful that we reach this area today, because I yeah, I expect more upside today. If I see here what's happening with the RSI, I expect some more upside. Okay, that's my analysis for today. I hope you liked the video, and see you tomorrow for another analysis. Have a nice day. Bye bye.